So, you're thinking about tackling the Trans-Canada Trail in Prince Edward Island? Well, let me tell you, you're in for a treat. On PEI, the trail is known as the Confederation Trail, and it's a total game-changer. It's built on a decommissioned railway line, which is fantastic because that means it's almost completely flat. I'm talking a maximum 2% grade, so you don't need to be a super athlete to enjoy it. The main trail runs tip-to-tip for 273 kilometers, from Tignish in the west all the way to Elmira in the east. The surface is rolled stone dust, which is firm and easy on your feet, or your bike tires. This makes it perfect for a leisurely bike ride, a long-distance run, or a relaxed family stroll. As you travel, you'll be immersed in the classic PEI landscape. You'll pedal past rolling farmlands with that famous red clay soil, wind through peaceful forests, and cross over scenic bridges with views of sparkling rivers and stunning coastlines. The trail connects so many of the island's charming communities, from quaint fishing villages to towns like Tatamagouche and Pugwash, making it easy to stop for a bite to eat or explore a local shop. Whether you're in it for a day trip or an epic multi-day adventure, the Confederation Trail is truly the best way to experience the heart and soul of Prince Edward Island. It's a journey that combines history, nature, and that unmistakable maritime charm.